We know that a lot of you will be wanting to teach computers and especially Code4Kids from home. That's why we've decided to show you an awesome feature that's often overlooked but is so great for remote working and to help your students. I'm going to show you an example of where I've used Google Classroom for my grade 5 computer lesson and where I've posted the link for your school space and shown the learners how to log in. I've then given them instructions to do lesson number 2 on Wednesday and comment below if they need some help. Now I can see that Dominic has already commented that he needs help with lesson number 2. I'm online at this time, and so I'm going to join Dominic on that lesson. So we can right click and open up this tab and log into our school. It'll obviously say yourschool.thelessonspace.com. I'm going to log in as the teacher with my password. I'm going to go and find Dominic. So I go to my students. I can either search if you've got a whole list of students, or you can click on Dominic. Now, once it's come up, you can go and select the course that he should be completing. So we go to my first website. We know that it's lesson number 2, the Earth and Beyond. I can see that he's completed the whole of this flag, which is really nice to check. He's chosen some awesome different countries, Ukraine, Chile, and got the North American flag up there, which was quite a tricky one for lesson number 2. So I can see that Dominic is stuck over here. So we can see the student's cursor coming up in the place that they are stuck. So I've arrived at the same place, and this is what my screen as the teacher will see. I'll see the student moving around. On the student screen, what they will see is the teacher moving around and helping. So we have the student moving around, and we know that they are over there near Earth, and they're not sure why that Earth is not working. But for the student, they will see the teacher coming in and helping, giving them some assistance at that time. So I'm going to go back to the teacher's view, and we're going to see how we can help Dominic. So what I can see is that Dominic is stuck at this Earth, and he doesn't understand why the Earth is not coming up. So we need to try and help. He's put an Earth here the same way he did Venus, but there is something missing, and I as the teacher can now go in and help. So I'm going to type in images. I can see that Dominic's still there, and hopefully he's having a look at now that Earth worked. If I want to help with the next one, maybe Dominic moves down there and says, all right, I think I can do this. So the teacher can view Dominic finishing this work. And there we go. So Dominic's got that all sorted. Now the Jupiter one, Dominic is moving around, can't seem to understand. So we see that he moves on to Saturn and leaves the Jupiter. Now I as the teacher can go in and say, right, I'm going to help you. On Dominic's profile, it is saying teacher, and I'm going to show you that that is PNG. So we're just showing you the relationship that you can have with your learners as you work remotely. You can jump in at the time and help them when they are stuck with certain tasks. They'll be able to see your cursor when you jump in, and you'll be able to see their cursor. Cool, we hope that tip helps you, and all the best from teaching your lessons from home.